Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the ice auger drive motor in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Lift the ice bucket assembly up in the front, then pull straight out. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to loosen the 2 icemaker mounting screws. Lift the icemaker off of the screws and disconnect the wire connector. Next, unthread the lower screws securing the ice auger drive motor assembly. Depress the tab to disconnect the wire harness. You can now lift the assembly up and out. Use a screwdriver to help loosen the auger drive coupler, then fully unthread it. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 3 ice auger drive motor mounting screws. Lift out the motor and use the 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Disconnect the power wires to fully release the old motor. Install the new ice auger drive motor by first connecting the power wires to the terminals. Secure the grounding wire under the screw. Align the motor in the housing and thread the 3 mounting screws. Thread the drive coupler onto the motor shaft and tighten. Reinstall the ice auger drive motor assembly by hooking the tabs into the slots in the support rails. Thread the 2 lower screws. Connect the wire harness. Reinstall the ice maker by first connecting the wire connector. Align the ice maker on the fill tube and the mounting screws. Then tighten the screws. Reinstall the ice bucket assembly by positioning it on the rails and sliding it straight back. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.